Hello and welcome to this video on how to deploy a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. In this video, we will explore the steps involved in deploying a smart contract, including creating a contract, compiling the code, and deploying it on the blockchain. Deploying a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain involves several steps, including writing and testing the contract code, compiling the code into bytecode, deploying the bytecode onto the Ethereum network, interacting with the deployed contract. The first step in deploying a smart contract is to write and test the contract code. This code defines the contract's functions and the data that it will store. You can write the contract code in Solidity, the most popular programming language for smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Once you have written the contract code, you need to compile it into bytecode that can be executed on the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM. You can use a Solidity compiler like Remix or Truffle to compile the code. The output of the compilation is a bytecode file and an ABI, application binary interface, file. To deploy the smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain, you need to create a transaction that contains the bytecode of the contract. You can do this using a tool like MetaMask, which allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain through your web browser. Here are the steps to deploy a smart contract using MetaMask. 1. Open MetaMask and ensure that you have enough Ether to pay for the gas fee. 2. Select the Ethereum network you want to deploy the contract on. 3. Click on the Deploy button and select the bytecode file. 4. Set the gas limit and gas price for the transaction. 5. Submit the transaction and wait for it to be confirmed by the network. Once the smart contract is deployed, you can interact with it using its functions. You can do this by sending transactions to the contract address using a tool like MetaMask or Web3.js library. MetaMask is a popular Web3 wallet that allows users to store, manage and interact with their cryptocurrency assets, such as Ethereum, ETH, ERC20 tokens, and other blockchain-based digital assets. It is a browser extension that can be installed on Google Chrome, Firefox, or Brave, and provides users with a convenient and secure way to interact with decentralized applications, DApps, and decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols. MetaMask also acts as a bridge between the user's browser and the Ethereum network, allowing users to make transactions and sign messages using their private keys without exposing them to the internet. In addition to managing cryptocurrency assets, MetaMask also provides users with a range of other features, such as creating and managing multiple Ethereum accounts, viewing transaction history, setting gas prices, and connecting to various Ethereum networks. MetaMask has become one of the most popular Ethereum wallets, and is widely used by users who engage with DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, and other blockchain-based applications. Web3.js is a JavaScript library that allows developers to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and build decentralized applications, DApps. It provides a set of APIs that enable developers to send and receive transactions, read and write data to the Ethereum blockchain, and interact with smart contracts. Web3.js library is used to build decentralized applications and is essential for developing Ethereum-based applications such as decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, non-fungible token, NFT, marketplaces, and more. Web3.js provides developers with a wide range of functionalities, including account management, event handling, contract deployment, and interaction with the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM. Web3.js library abstracts the complex functionalities of the Ethereum blockchain and presents them in an easy-to-use and user-friendly interface. Developers can use Web3.js to connect their applications to the Ethereum network, communicate with Ethereum nodes, and execute transactions and smart contract functions. Overall, Web3.js is a powerful tool for building decentralized applications on the Ethereum network and is widely used by developers in the Ethereum ecosystem. In conclusion, deploying a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain involves several steps, including writing and testing the contract code, compiling the code into bytecode, and deploying the bytecode onto the Ethereum network. With tools like MetaMask and Solidity compilers, It has become easier to deploy smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain.